welcome back to my channel Thomas Sheep Crochet Knitting, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this headband and this beautiful pattern. It's very cozy, warm and stretchy headband, and it's very easy to make. So I will show you step by step how to do it, and even beginners can do it. I'm going to use this acrylic yarn. It's 100% acrylic yarn. I will use double yarn. It's soft and you can pick any other type of yarn. It's up to you. And I'm going to use this yarn. It's called Baby Nini Bebe from Nako. It's 100 grams and 425 meters. Next, what you'll need is pair of scissors, yarn needle, measuring tape and 5mm crochet hook. Okay, I'm using thin yarn, so that's why I'm using double yarn. Start with a slip knot and then I'm going to make chain 40. And if you are using other yarn or other type of yarn, you should make multiple of 2. The foundation chain should be multiple of 2. But make the foundation chain twice as wide because the headband will have 2 layers. And I'm making an adult size of headband. Okay, I have done 40 chains. This is how it looks like. And now we have to join it in a circle. So insert your hook into the first chain. Grab the yarn, pull it through and make a slip stitch. And I'm going to start the first round with chain 1. And now insert your hook into this chain and make single crochet. So this is very first chain where you have to insert your hook and make first single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 and make single crochet into this chain. 1 single crochet, chain 1, skip 1 and make single crochet into this chain. So single crochet and always make chain 1, always skip 1 and make another single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 and single crochet and chain 1. Okay, I am at the end of the round, of the first round, and you should make last single crochet in very last chain. Now chain 1, and we will not make a slip stitch but continue working in this stitch and make single crochet, chain 1, skip 1 and continue working as before. Always insert your hook into this stitch. It's stitch of single crochet from previous round. So you will always skip this chain. It's chain from previous round. So just make single crochet, chain 1, skip 1. You will always skip the chain from previous round and make another single crochet here. Chain 1 and continue working like this all the way around. So 1 single crochet, chain 1, skip 1 and make another single crochet. Okay, I am at the end of the second round and you can see there is 1 stitch left. So skip this stitch and continue working exactly the same pattern as before. So 1 single crochet, always chain one, always skip one, and make another single crochet. And keep going till you'll get enough length of your headband. So I'm going to make about 52 centimeters. It's enough because it's stretchy. It's stretchy material and it's stretchy pattern. So now you can pause the video and meet me back again. Okay, and this is last round of my headband. I'm going to finish the round with a slip stitch in this stitch. So it's the stitch where you should make a single crochet, but I'm going to make a slip stitch, chain one, and continue working in the same pattern like before. And I'm doing this just because of straight edges, because we worked in a round. But when you will not do it, it's okay. And at the end of this last round, make a slip stitch. And it's no need to do it. I just want to show you how to get a straight edge if you work in a round. So I always make a last round like this. If it's too big hole there, you can make a slip stitch in following stitch, and now it's okay. Okay, keep the tail longer because we will use it. We will sew both sides of headband together, and we will make the nice twisted headband. Okay, so you'll need a yarn needle now. Now you can see how stretchy our headband is, so I think it's great pattern. Now put both sides of headband like this, because we have to sew it together. So fold both sides of headband in half like this and insert them into each other like this. But the best way is when the end of yarn will be outside. So not like this, but outside. And now just sew it together. And be careful to sew all the layers. Okay, so this is last stage. Then you can sew the end of yarn inside the headband, and the headband has 2 layers, so it's easy to hide. And this is wrong side. So don't worry, on the right side it's beautiful. So this is right side of headband. I think it looks beautiful and the pattern is very beautiful. And the last step is you have to sew also the starting tail inside the headband, and that's all. Pattern, that's all from me. Okay, and this is my headband. I love it. I hope you will love it as well. If you will, put a thumb up. I will be happy for it. If you don't subscribe my channel yet, subscribe and hit the bell as well, because you will never miss any my video. And you can also follow me on my Instagram profile at Thomas Sheep. So thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day and see you soon.